So I spotted this on Yahoo Tech, and this one is pretty interesting. So rumor has it that the long-awaited Steam Deck 2 could actually be a streaming TV box that will have similar specs, of course updated, and could be a possible Nvidia Shield replacement. So we're going to jump into the details. Of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Let's go. So for everyone that's been here for a while, you know that the Nvidia Shield is one of the best streaming devices ever. The last release was in 2019, and that makes it over 5 years old. So a lot of folks, including myself, is looking for an upgraded device. And I believe that they're long overdue, not just the hardware, but also just some of the software as far as Android TV just seems dated compared to some of the newer operating systems. So this is actually good news. I think any competition is good competition. This is from Yahoo Tech, and of course the title is just that long-awaited Stream Deck 2 could be a Steam TV box to rival the Nvidia Shield. So of course the Nvidia Shield is a gaming device at heart. In addition to that, it is running Android TV, which allows you to download those streaming applications and essentially turn it into a monster streaming device. So just so you guys know what the Steam Deck is, basically a handheld device, as you can see there. Forces the monster, play games. It is a screen, so it reminds me of the old school Game Gear. If I'm showing my age, let me know. But remind me of the Game Gear, but just a ton built in, and it really is a powerful device. So whatever the second version or second iteration, I expect it to be just as powerful. All right, so let's read on a little bit. So new code found in a Steam Deck kernel hints that Valve may be working on a new device, but rather than a new handheld, there's clues that could be a set-top box. Now, the Steam Deck has been more successful than even Valve could have hoped for, with an OLED model proven as popular as the first generation handhelds. However, the company may have put plans for a true sequel on ice for now, so at least until after the next rumored project. Because this is claimed that Valve's next product might be a streaming device instead of a set-top box in the mold of an Nvidia Shield TV, Apple TV, or Google TV streamer. So it's basically saying it's going to rival those devices versus the original form factor. So the main thinking comes from a Reddit user who spotted that Valve has added HDMI CEC support to Steam Deck's kernel. Now the code also references a new CPU called AMD Lilac, suggesting that is intended for new hardware. There's clue that the hardware will bear some similarities to the Google Chromecast OS devices. The alteration is in the Chrome OS embedded controller, for example. So the presence of the HDMI CEC would be irrelevant to Steam Deck, considering it's not permanently connected to the TV, amplifier, or soundbar. So CEC, or Consumer Electronic Control, basically enables HDMI connected devices to communicate with each other and send and receive commands through the HDMI cable. So for example, if you have your Nvidia Shield TV, you can control the volume of your TV, you can turn your TV on and off, and so on and so forth. So what they're saying is that if it was a handheld, there's no reason for it to have HDMI with CEC control, because it's not going to be a permanent staple for your TV. So it's something you more likely see on an AV kit. So this has led to poster thinking Valve is possibly working on its own Shield TV. Pure speculation, I'm guessing it's a console, set-top box, or something similar that's supposed to connect to the TV and not a handheld VR headset, given that the HDMI CEC seems to be an important feature. The inclusion of the Chrome OS hardware is confusing, as they wrote. A Steam TV box would be a great idea, although it more likely be focused on games than streaming services. Still, it'll make sense to be able to download and install TV applications. So again, that's not new thinking, guys, because remember, again, the Nvidia Shield TV started out as a gaming device. Then it turned into a streaming device, and it became one of the most popular, the most powerful, the best streaming device that ever existed. So Steam is going this route with a new iteration of the Steam Deck. I'm excited, and I think it's definitely going to be a shakeup in streaming and cutting the cord. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section. Do you believe that the new Steam Deck is going to be a set-top box? Also, would this be something you purchase? And of course, the last question is, what do you think the price will be on this device? So let me know your thoughts in the comments. Of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.